Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are finally wrapping the 240. I am popping in to make this intro after the fact. This has been so long awaited for me. I have had this 240 sitting for so long. I don't know, it hasn't felt like I've made a big jump. I have done little things, obviously, like when I manual swapped it, that was a big thing for me. That was a big project for this car, but it has looked the same since I bought it, and that made me feel like I've done nothing to it. If you guys have been keeping up with my vlogs, we have been prepping the 240 for a while. I'm not even sure when we finally started. When I finally decided to start working on this car more often, I would go almost every single Monday after work to Alonso's shop and we would put some work into the 240. So it did take a little bit longer because I would only go for maybe 2-3 hours max. I am making this intro a little bit later. The car is actually all wrapped already. You could probably see the blue a little bit. Let me tell you, taking on this project, I literally debated like 30 times if I should just go take it to a wrap shop. Didn't think I was gonna be able to do it. I didn't think it was gonna be easy to learn. It's not an easy job. Props to all the people that wrap, because let's just say I'm not gonna become a car wrapper anytime soon. It's something you could learn pretty easily if you just put the time and effort into it and practice. The 240 is literally the perfect car to try it. It's literally a project car. My thought process was, even if it doesn't come out good, who cares, because I'm probably gonna change the color. I want to learn how to drift in it, so I'm gonna be probably messing up the wrap anyways. I did go with Vinyl Frog. They sent me this roll. The color is Glossy Metallic Silver Lake Blue. I have no wrap experience. A couple years ago, I attempted to wrap my front lip for the FRS. It was terrible. I literally burned through the wrap. I had bubbles, I had wrinkles. I had no idea what I was doing. I just went for it and I tried it and it didn't work out. And then I said, I will never wrap something again. And here I am trying to learn to wrap a whole car. So it definitely helps that my friend Lonzo's gonna be helping me. He has wrapped cars before. If you have ever wrapped a car or you know more tips, definitely leave them down below. For me personally, I found using my hand over the squeegee was easier, but I know professional car wrappers are probably gonna be cringing at that and cringing at a lot of things that I did. That's my little spiel about this. So let's get to wrapping this car now. We got the goods. The goods. Who would have thought we did blue? Except that one guy that commented the exact color that I was doing. How did you do that? God, it's wrap day.
So pull it tight.
Right?
Yeah. Make sure you cover the whole roof.
Okay.
You should, like down, like it's over the ankle or two.
Yeah.
Pull it tight. Pull as tight as you can and go down slowly. Lines like that, so you want to like. Look at that. You want to like pull the opposite of it. Don't put any tension on it yet, right? If you pull right now, it stretches it. Pull down a little bit.
Vinyl Frog gloves. Shout out Vinyl Frog.
See, that's what happens when.
Go straight.
Yeah, kind of, because it goes a crease and just rolls it over. I think.
Jeez.
You good?
No, it's bugs. I'm trying to get in on this.
All right. You can do it by hand too. Do you see that little line right there that I've already pushed down?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can do your hand will glide over. Perfect. Put your hand inside and just pop it, like lift up a little bit. So you open like a little tunnel, so all the air goes outside of here.
Yeah.
Baby.
Imagine it was a tap.
You're gonna be pulling it here, and then down low, I kind of grab it on the corner. Okay.
Color looks so good. Day 2 of wrapping. Woo! We're gonna do the hood and the headlights today. I'm working on the 240. The color looks so good in this angle.
Pull it tight, pull it, 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 pull it. Now touch, like tack it on the door, tack it on the top also. Yeah. Open the window, yeah.
That's here. Bring her straight to work. Basically done with the car. Kinda. Bumper's halfway done. about the car. I did add some clips from the reveal. If you guys missed my last video, I think it literally looks so perfect with the pink and blue. Literally 2 little pastel colors. I think they look so great together. Definitely wrapping a car for the first time isn't the easiest thing in the world, but you can do it. If you're debating, just do it, just try it. Try a couple pieces, start with something small. I think the easiest part for me was the headlights. It's so flat. Other easy parts were obviously like the flattest pieces, like the hood, the roof, the trunk, the door was very easy. I didn't even attempt to do the bumper. Just look at that. It has like a bunch of inlays and just different pieces to it. And I'm obviously not there yet. So it's definitely an intimidating thing to do. I was very scared to do it, but I'm glad I did. We'll see if I end up wrapping the next color for this. I also do think the Vinyl Frog material was really easy to work with. We had talked with another wrap shop and they said they love Vinyl Frog themselves and that it was a good material for me to learn on. So I was happy to hear that. Definitely check out this blue. This blue is so freaking pretty and they have tons of colors on their website. So I'll leave everything linked down below. I'll leave Lonzo's website down below. Only need a bash bar from Lonzo for the 240. It's like a necessity, so that might be next. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Would you guys have done a different color? Do you guys like the blue? Maybe a different shade of blue? Let me know. That is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.